Had a few viewers out in Frankfort reporting some flurries coming down this morning. Now, it's not the case at the moment. Some downtown traffic, and we've got partly sunny skies up in Franklin County. And we're in pretty good shape. Now, if I throw a 12-hour loop up, which is what you're looking at right here, you'll be able to see from west to east that little hit of moisture that cruised through Frankfort and then eventually went into eastern counties. We had some pretty decent snow showers firing up out east. Even had a couple of reports of it coming down strong enough to even get a little coating to the grass. Very isolated instances for that. Where it's coming down is up across the Great Lakes, where they've got lake effect snow flying. Michigan down, not so much in Cleveland. The fetch is wrong here. Most of it's staying over the lake. But as you get out towards Erie, PA, and western New York, they're getting quite a bit south of Buffalo there. So winter's on. And in fact, you go from rain over the Gulf Coast to the back end of this. Look at that. There's snow flying down through parts of west and central Texas. So this Arctic air is essentially overwhelming the midsection, eventually the eastern U.S., and we're getting in on the action. Although we're not going to see a whole lot of moisture. Those few flurries, the isolated snow showers we had this morning, already diminishing out east. The future track takes them out of here. So we should see some sunshine into the afternoon, but you are going to notice how much colder it is today and how it continues to get cold and then eventually just stay cold through the weekend. This is going to be an extended stretch instead of these little quick cold hits that we've seen so far this season. We do have a chance for a little bit of winter weather. The latest run, though, this is the RPM has really backed off it into Saturday morning. But still, I think we could see at least some scattered snow showers, maybe a hint of some minor to light accumulation, especially into northern Kentucky, and then hardly anything to maybe some rain and snow showers south. So those two issues that we're tracking into the weekend remain the same. The cold, that first Arctic outbreak of the season, today through the weekend, and then, of course, that possibility of maybe a hint of snow Saturday. Moisture is very limited. We'll have a cold enough air in place to get it going. And it will be notable just because we haven't seen anything beyond that trace that we picked up in Lexington October 29th. One of the many computer models, this one set up to show you in the GFS, the precipitation type as well as the surface temperature. And with upper 20s in the morning, mid to upper 20s Saturday morning, and then afternoon highs probably only around the mid to maybe upper 30s southwest. Most of it would be some light snow showers. Maybe a few rain to snow shower southwest. But again, very limited moisture with this. I don't think it's going to amount to much. Temperature-wise, well, we're at 36 degrees. It's cold out there. And if you look at the temp stats, our coldest high so far, 39. October 29th, our coldest low was 20 back on November 23rd. We get a chance tomorrow morning to get into the upper teens as this colder air just continues to funnel in. In fact, the future track showing by dinner time, we're only around freezing, and then dropping way down in the 20s. We're showing low 20s tonight. I think we may hit the low 20s to upper teens. Then you get to next week, we've got a maybe even more significant punch, another upper trough digging in. Look at the clock. It's Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. This one may be even more pronounced than what we're dealing with into the weekend. So we could have a situation where we may have a high that doesn't even get above freezing. So, yeah, multiple rounds tracking our way. There'll be a little bit of a break in between, but it's just a short one. 39 today, partly to mostly sunny, pretty quiet. Tonight, upper teens. Tomorrow, a cold start to the weekend. Highs probably mid to upper 30s. And then a similar situation Saturday. We'll just add in that chance, that limited chance for a little bit of light snow shower Saturday morning. And then the cold end of the weekend. Brief bump into the 40s, Chris. And then we get hit again, possibly even colder toward the middle of next week.